Struggling with stubborn blackheads? This video covers effective removal tips to help you achieve clear, smooth skin at home. Learn the best methods, tools, and common mistakes to avoid for safe and lasting results. Watch now to say goodbye to blackheads for good.
Struggling with those persistent cheek blackheads? You're not alone. With a bit of insight into what causes them and the right techniques, you can say goodbye to these annoying blemishes. Now watch the video to learn more about effective strategies to achieve clear, glowing skin.
Saying goodbye to those annoying cheek blackheads. Cheek blackheads are a common and persistent skin concern, often caused by a buildup of oil, dead skin cells, and impurities clogging pores. Tackling them requires a well-rounded approach that combines effective skincare routines, lifestyle changes, and sometimes professional help. Let's dive into each step to banish those cheek blackheads once and for all. 1. Understanding cheek blackheads, the culprits. Unveiling the causes. Blackheads form when pores are clogged with sebum, skin oil, dead skin cells, and bacteria. On cheeks, blackheads can be particularly stubborn due to the large pores and sometimes a higher buildup of impurities. Factors like oily skin, hormonal changes, genetics, and environmental pollutants can exacerbate blackhead formation. Other contributing factors. Makeup. Heavy or oily makeup products can contribute to clogged pores. Skin type. Oily and combination skin types are often more prone to blackheads. Touching your face. Frequently touching your face can transfer oils and bacteria, making blackheads worse. 2. Daily skincare routine, a must-have regimen. The foundation for blackhead prevention. A consistent skincare routine is essential in keeping pores clear. A well-rounded routine includes cleansing, exfoliating, and moisturizing. Cleanse twice. Daily, use a gentle cleanser morning and night to remove dirt and oil. Look for products labeled non-comedogenic to avoid clogging pores. Exfoliate regularly. Exfoliating with gentle acids like glycolic or salicylic acid 2. 3 times per week can help clear dead skin and excess oil that cause blackheads. Hydrate. Hydration is key, even for oily skin. Use a lightweight, oil-free moisturizer to maintain skin balance. 3. Banishing blackheads, targeted treatments. Effective solutions. Some ingredients are particularly effective at clearing and preventing blackheads. Salicylic acid. Known for its ability to penetrate pores, it breaks down the buildup that causes blackheads. Benzoyl peroxide helps reduce bacteria on the skin, a common contributor to blackhead formation. Retinoids. Retinoid products can promote cell turnover, which helps prevent clogged pores. Retinoids may take time to show effects, but they're effective with consistent use. 4. Gentle extraction. Proceed with caution. If you choose to extract blackheads, it's essential to be cautious. Use a come-done extractor tool. This tool helps extract blackheads without squeezing. Ensure it's sterilized to prevent infection. Steam. Before extracting, open pores by steaming your face for a few minutes before extraction. Avoid aggressive squeezing. Overdoing it can damage your skin, leading to scarring. 5. DIY remedies, natural solutions. Tried and tested home remedies. Natural remedies can be a gentle way to manage blackheads. Here are some popular choices. Honey and lemon mask. Mix honey with a few drops of lemon juice. Honey's antibacterial properties and lemon's astringent effect help reduce blackheads. Clay masks. Use a clay mask weekly to draw out impurities from deep within the pores. Baking soda scrub. Mix a small amount of baking soda with water for a gentle scrub that helps reduce blackheads. 6. Lifestyle changes, holistic approach. Nurturing healthy skin. A few lifestyle changes can significantly improve your skin's clarity and health. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water helps flush out toxins and keeps skin hydrated. Balanced diet. Foods rich in antioxidants, like fruits and vegetables, can improve skin health. Avoid high sugar and high grease diets, as they may worsen blackheads. Sleep and stress management. Poor sleep and stress contribute to hormonal imbalances, increasing sebum production. 7. Consulting a dermatologist, seeking professional advice. When in doubt, seek help. Sometimes, over-the-counter products and home remedies aren't enough to clear stubborn blackheads. Consulting a dermatologist may provide more options. Professional extractions. Dermatologists can perform safe extractions to prevent skin damage. Prescription medications. They may recommend stronger treatments like topical retinoids or antibiotics. Advanced treatments. Procedures like chemical peels, microdermabrasion, and laser treatments can deeply exfoliate and improve skin texture. Conclusion: managing cheek blackheads takes patience, consistency, and a thoughtful approach. By understanding the root causes, sticking to an effective skincare routine, making healthy lifestyle changes, and seeking professional guidance when necessary, you can achieve clearer, healthier skin. Remember, every small step helps in the journey to a glowing, blackhead-free complexion.
Thanks for watching. Like, comments and share.